Are you nesting up there?
I'm nesting. I'm Brittany, and this is Drew. And for the past 5 years, we've been traveling the globe by van, from the US to Canada, Europe to Africa, sharing our story and embracing the great unknown, which has now led us to buying one-way flights to Panama, where we've been called to help these guys build the tiny house homestead of their dreams. Tap subscribe and join us in seeing where this unpredictable adventure takes us all. Hi friends!
What's up, guys?
We're coming to you from quite possibly our very favorite place in Volcano.
Our favorite place to work, and it's got a heck of a view.
It's a castle turned hostel, and it has a perfect view of Volcano, which is the highest peak in Panama that we summited with you all in last week's episode.
Yep.
And another reason why we love it here?
We get to meet some really interesting people.
Like Frank. Frank is an expat from Seattle who came here 25 years ago and decided to buy 100 acres of land about 45 minutes away from here. We also got invited to stay in like the most incredible treehouse that I think we've ever seen.
Yeah, and his land has this incredible river flowing right down through it.
We can't wait to share it with you guys. But before we do that, what do you think of Drew's new stash?
What do you think, guys?
I think he's handsome.
I'm digging it. I got Brittany's stamp of approval on it.
All right, let's let you enjoy the show. Always gotta pack our vitamins, even if we're just going away for one night. Get in there. Since living on the road and traveling around for the past 5 years, Drew and I have had the chance to live in some pretty cool spaces, like that giant potato in Idaho that was so unexpectedly beautiful on the inside.
Whoa. Holy moly.
Holy potato!
Holy potato, mashed potatoes.
And that treehouse in Hawaii, which was even more romantic than our honeymoon. Although our honeymoon did begin in Hector, that beautiful little self-built camper van that had a blue door and looked more like a cabin. But today we're lucky enough to have met this guy who built this awesome little treehouse, and so that's where we're headed.
Oh yeah. These past few days, I've been working hard up on the land with Jordan and Kaylee, welding and building, and today's gonna be a really nice change of scenery.
We're here, and one thing's for sure, it is much hotter down here. We're in Caldera. It is 91 degrees. Hi, Zeus. What a fitting name. Hey, Frank.
Thank you.
No, bienvenido.
Bienvenido.
That means welcome.
Thank you.
Gracias. Look at how beautiful. Wow.
We're about to start the journey on the 86 steps down to the water.
I can't wait to get in. It's toasty.
It's much more toasty down here.
I don't have a thing that says that the water's too cold or too old.
Here we go for the Tarzan swing. Right there? Ready?
Ready? And this is how we get to the treehouse. You just got a friend now?
Meet Zeus. Zeus is escorting us. Whoa, he's quick. He's quick.
Whoa, he broke
He's like,
that right
crap.
off.
Wow.
Thanks clearing the way, making sure there's no vipers hiding under the leaves. And we're both
I'm terrified right now.
I would hope that the little ones can get up a tree too.
Check that out. Can you see it? Whoa. Look at our bed. How special. How do I get in this?
You have to save it for later.
I guess so. Wow, tree. Right in the middle. Want to go around this way? It's a bathroom. I didn't expect to see this up here, to be honest. Look at how beautiful our view is. Wow. How lucky do you feel that we get to stay here tonight?
Very, very lucky.
That next morning, we woke up feeling quite refreshed and very grateful after having enjoyed one of the most peaceful nights of rest, sleeping high up in the trees down by the river. That's this morning's yoga flow.
Up and moving.
I want to go swimming in the river though now.
Just what you needed?
Always what I need.
I still can't believe we slept in that thing.
It's like the shape of an onion.
An acorn. I just want to say how impressed I am with how well built this treehouse is. It has these incredible beams underneath it and was really thought out for the construction and the placement of the area. They really made it blend in with the natural colors of the jungle. Brittany and I have been so wowed by this. It's given us a lot of inspiration for maybe some projects that we'll do one day of our own. Now let me take you guys over here and I'll show you a couple pictures of when the construction was going on for the entire treehouse. They built a platform and deck here, and then they started bending and elevating the whole framework, building in the bathroom. What an amazing piece of art here that we got to stay in last night. Brittany, what was the name of this tree?
Algo something?
It's an algarobo tree, and if you look around, you'll see two of them on my property, but you won't see many because they're too valuable to live. The wood is immune to you. If you look at many of the trees, you'll see they're completely covered with little trails of termites going up.
Okay.
Nothing on the algarobo. They even say it's immune to lightning strikes because of the energy field, you know, and whatever.
They picked a really sturdy tree to be able to build this whole thing on. I also didn't expect it to have full power and running water inside. What are you up to, babe?
Writing.
Your favorite thing in a treehouse? Keeping away from the bugs?
Something that I want to share with you guys, just do this, that's really been helping me these days is I'll pick a mantra or some sort of positive affirmation and I will just write it out on a scrap piece of paper until I have the whole page filled. So it's nothing fancy. And I literally just repeat the same sentences over and over and over until it's like truly entered my brain or I've just filled the page. So today I've written, let your thoughts be filled with possibilities, positivity, and hope for what you want to experience. Don't overthink the details. I rewrote that sentence a lot. Let it all come together. All you need to do right now is breathe and believe. Yeah, so I wrote that until this whole page was filled.
Something to ponder for the day.
Yeah. This little guy has been stuck in our sink all night. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. There, look, we did it. He's not leaving. Hi, little guy. Breakfast. Our morning commute through Frank's lush Panamanian jungle kept us shaded from the strong morning sun and surrounded us with some of the most beautiful tropical flowers. It felt like we were in Hawaii. This one's like 2 flowers in one. You see that?
Wow.
Huh. Look at how pretty. And we get a view of Volcano. Wondering what the wind is doing for our friends up there.
Okay.
Wow.
Ooh, look at you. It's beautiful.
Let go.
Wow.
Wow.
Definitely wishing we could share this moment and meal with our friends.
Rio Encontado is my celebration of my love of nature and art. And as I tell many people, your love should be your life. So the first and most important thing is to identify your love, and then you can celebrate it and share it. Yeah. I mean, my treehouse, when I envisioned that in my mind, first of all, you don't touch the tree, you don't harm the tree. Yeah. And then I wanted to duplicate something that you would see in nature, so that looks like a bird's nest. Yeah. And that's why I did the thatch,
the look of the structure,
design, and so forth. Yeah, but also with tremendous expense and labor to do the steel, so we wouldn't have to use the tree for any support.
Did you contract somebody here locally who helped you? I saw some of the pictures.
No, it was 3 Americans.
Okay.
Well, we really enjoyed our time here. And does Rio Encontado, does that mean Enchanted River?
The Enchanted River.
Well, we definitely felt that.
Yeah.
Nice, Frank.
Okay, adios.
Thank you.
Bien viaje.
I'm over here.
There you are. Are you nesting up there?
I'm nesting. We had to go for one more river dip before leaving this beautiful place. Definitely going to miss swimming. And this view. If you guys want to stay here, it's about $100 a night. We'll put a link for you below so you can check it out and maybe make a trip just for this.
That's an amazing deal for all that you get and just the peace, the serenity, the surroundings.
Yeah, and then Boquete is like 45 minutes away. So perfect little getaway. It's amazing. Oh, and look at this. You ever seen a stick bug? Literally looks like a stick. Isn't that wild?
Friends.
They must be taking the day off or gathering supplies.
Maybe it's a lunch work break. We should go check out their work. I should show you what's been happening up here. Here's the platform for the shed.
I left my bag open up there.
It's just a little baja reke. Soon we'll have a deck flooring and there'll be a tiny little shed up here.
Very exciting.
Time to go.
Water on the screen.
It's raining. Brittany's standing on the ankle breaker.
It puts me at a normal height so that we can do our little ending with you guys. All right, guys. Well, it's time for us to shower because we did not shower while living in that treehouse, although there was a shower, and a kitchenette, although we didn't show it because we just swam in the river.
It was a magical place and we really had a great time there, and hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Next week, get excited because we're taking you with us to a brand new country. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Ah, it's raining!
It's raining! Come back for next week because it's gonna be an exciting time.
Woo!
Run, cover!
You were at the house. You were at the house, weren't you? You were here all along.
That's so exciting.
Hi. We went to the land.
To go see if we were up there.
Yeah,
We were like, they must be editing.
Just went up, but we were like,
Yeah, that's what we thought. Yeah.
Good, man.
Nice. Yeah, it was.